Shreveport could be that powerful. New Orleans, the difference between New Orleans and Shreveport is the fact that those people are politically involved and are lobbying. Lobbying means that they're making sure that they're utilizing their money and utilizing their votes so that their voice and their interests can be heard. If you do not know what your interests are, meaning if you do not know what you're willing to fight about, what you're willing to act a fool about, what you're willing to show up at somebody's front door about, then you're never going to be able to vote on the things that affect you. Does that make sense? So whenever we're thinking about these constitutional amendments, we want to see, they write them in such a way where it's designed to be confusing. Designed to be confusing because if I can keep you ignorant, what do we say? We say knowledge is what? Power. So if I can keep you ignorant, then I've kept you powerless, right? So if I write it in such a way where you're confused, I remove all your power from you. And I can do it right there in front of your face. Here's the constitutional amendment, and you just say, what do we do? What do we do as black people oftentimes? When we don't understand something, I don't have nothing to do with it, right? That's on purpose. That's on purpose. Now, it's our job, and it's the job of the professors and of universities like us, to make sure that you understand what's happening to you.
So
because
why
like
don't
you just
have,
said, we don't understand it, okay?
like, why they don't have translators? If you know you got a population of people who probably ain't educated or probably can't articulate most of these words up there, why you don't have a translator so they'll know instead of saying all, because we'll know because we call it, well, I know after you broke it down. You heard me? Why you don't do that at the ballot? It ain't like you telling me what to vote for, it's just you give me a better comprehension so I know what to vote for. But just like you say, that's power. Because if I don't know what you're saying, I don't mark it, or if I mark the wrong thing because the wrong, but that ain't fair.
They might not necessarily want to give you that.
Oh, you mean your government that you're not involved in now all of a sudden wants to give you power? Oh, so you mean to tell me that one of the ways I can gain power is by being involved? I don't want you involved, young black man who's educated. I don't want you involved, young black woman who's educated. I don't want you involved. Why? Because now you're going to affect other people around you. I don't want you, young black people, to be educated and become powerful and affect the lives of people and now change the world that you live in. Why? Because I like the current power structure. You on the bottom, ignorant and poor, and me on top, rich and powerful. You have been miseducated about how your government works, and we are not going to allow you to be miseducated no more. Does that answer your question? Go get involved. Be more informed, be more involved. The future depends on you. The people around you are dependent on you. You're not just getting this education for yourself. Sound good?